Acer Chromebook Plus 14 Secrets. 10-hour battery that beats deadlines. Ever felt like your laptop's a lethargic librarian, hoarding tabs like dusty tomes and lagging on every login, blocking your brain's bold breakthroughs? That browser bog-down blues when simple searches summon size. Sound spot on? If your machine's mounting mutiny on your momentum, share your laggy laptop lament below. Let's lighten the load with a laugh. Ramp the rut. Assignment deadlines dodging like digital dust bunnies, stress stacking sleazier than a slow startup, and burnout brewing bolder than a buffered blackout. You're primed for productivity paradise, but one frozen frame or fan fiasco flips focus into frenzy, sapping stamina before sundown. What if a swift scribe scripted salvation, SNS setup snags? Muse on it. That murmur of masterful multitasking murmurs mesmerizingly near. Spotlight the Acer Chromebook Plus 14, your gray grail of Google Grace. A 14-inch FHD IPS touchscreen talisman. Intel Core i3. N305's 8-core efficiency engine. 8GB LPDDR5 RAM's rapid relay. And 512GB SSD's spacious sprint plus 160GB docking dash for data deluge. All on Wi-Fi 6 E-Wings weaving wireless wonders in Chrome OS cloud-kissed kingdom. Savor the anti-glare armor's ambient allure, the FHD cam's candid clarity in calls, UHD Graphics unveiling ultra visuals, and up to 11 hours of unplugged poise powering your pursuits from porch to parlor. Recall Jordan, the student scribe whose touchscreen sketched study notes mid-lecture, LumaFusion layering layers without a lull, or Riley, the remote rover whose docking duo devoured docks and drives during a downpour detour. This transcends typing. It's your tactile troubadour, Titan C2, secure SNS viruses since 25, Adobe Extras and Google AI Gems gratis for 12 months, ports plentiful, dual USB-C, HDMI, microSD. Here's one way the Acer Chromebook Plus 14 saved the day for a freelance fixer. i3, N305 multitasked mayhem into mastery during a merger meet, memos merging SNS miss. Hang on for that bonus hack on hybridizing hubs for Horizon High Storage. Your hustle's Horizon hovers hypnotically. Inhale the interface. The Acer Chromebook Plus 14 doesn't compute. It captivates your cadence into clarity, etching efficiency like an etched edge, while focus flourishes fiercer than a full HD flourish. Performance pirouetting through pursuits with prescient punch. Picture the touchscreen's tender touch, its IPS invitation igniting ideas in incandescence amid morning memos or midnight mocks, as i3, N305 Nucleus and LPDDR5X Nerve navigate nests of apps. A tech trailblazer touted. This Plus 14's i3 zip zaps older blues, 8GB RAM realms responsive, touch teases creativity, docking's delight. A productivity pioneer purred, 30 tabs tango trouble-free, FHD's feast, Wi-Fi 6E's whip, budget boss. Analysts affirm, Acer's 514 Strat seizes value via 512GB heft, outfoxing foes in Chromebook charts. Everyday exponents echo, a learner lauded, classroom carry-on crushes cramming, batteries bomb for breaks. A worker whispered, remote renders rapid, SSD sanctuary for spreadsheets. See why thousands trumpet this touchscreen triumph. Plastic poise, premium ports, and 3.15-pound portability prevail, eclipsing clunkier cohorts. Which whimsy would whirlwind your workflow? AI assists or storage surplus? Comment below and curate clever cues. It's that beguiling brush, the laptop's luminous lure linking labors to liberated leaps, vistas of vibrant versatility, virtually vivid. Plus provisions are plummeting. Procure your Acer Chromebook Plus 14 before bundle bounty bows out. Rally with the ranks who've revved their routines, from scholarly sprinters to side hustle stars, all extolling the 14th sterling sync of speed and space. One oracle observed, pummeled through pitches and plays, 11 hours unbowed, docking's dash, trumps tangled tots. If tab tangles or battery binds beleaguer you, this could catapult your calm. Click quick for the 12-month Google One gratis and Adobe Arsenal, unveiling a veiled variants for voice-vivifying video SNS stutters. Don't just daydream. Deploy and dazzle your days today.